Hey guys, so if you've been working on your push-ups and you're looking for another modification to get you closer to your push-ups, I'm gonna show you one. So how you set it up is bring your J-hook to the bottom of the rig here, and then you can choose the band that you want to assist you, just like you would for assisted pull-ups. You bring it around the J-hook, and then we get into our normal plank. You want to put the band somewhere between your belly button and your ribs. So it should be above your belly button and just below your ribs. So you get into your plank here. Nice tight plank that you would with your push-ups. Keep your elbows tucked in, lower to the ground, and back up. I'll show you one more time. So this is if you have been working on your push-ups and need a little bit more assistance, but you have been moving down from your box push-ups, but not quite to the floor yet. This would be some great assistance for you. So try it out.